NetBlok 3D is an innovative cloud app dedicated to manifold design business developed by Vest Incorporated. NetBlok requires just a web browser, no CAD software, no powerful workstation. Now we take a look at a simple workflow made of circuit interpretation, design, checking and layout drawing. A circuit diagram normally shows symbols with cavity information, port size information and all the connection lines. NetBlok has an extensive library where we can find all the cavities and ports and place them into the manifold block. Insert a cavity by dragging with the left mouse click. Define component ID and port information on the property manager. Connections are physically represented by a net with the same color. Use connect command to connect drills belonging to the same net. If you have a diagram not made with HydroCAD, you will need to practice a bit on understanding how to define nets in NetBlok. This small video portion shows how the design net is created while reading the diagram. No advanced CAD knowledge is required to use NetBlok. The user will find exactly the commands that are needed to start designing a manifold. The workflow becomes much easier if you can import an XML generated from HydroCAD. There you will find a list of components and external ports, and you can just select and insert. All net information are coming from the diagram. We try to make this tool as simple and intuitive as possible. Our target is a sales engineer without CAD experience. Manipulating the block is very easy. You can just drag cavities on a face, define X and Y position, change face by dragging the cavity on a different face. It's also possible to quickly change diameter and depth for the pilot drill and also for the spot face. NetBlok supports cartridge cavities and footprint, and it's very easy to create inclined drills. NetBlok library includes cavities for several manufacturers, as well as flanges, external ports and plugs. This portion of the video shows how many different interaction a designer can have during the layout of a manifold. We want to simplify all this workflow, providing the right tool to quickly respond to the customer needs. The same block that we design can later be viewed by your customer or by your vendor directly using NetBlok viewer. NetBlok file format is natively compatible with MD tools, so your design engineer may finish off the drawing or do other modification directly with the desktop software. With NetBlok, we need to help the sales engineer to verify what he is doing. So we are adding some check functionalities for the block. It is possible to measure wall thickness between two cavities, or do a complete design check. The design check will list wall thickness issues as well as connection issues. Cavity details are also available with a dedicated command. NetBlok is a cloud tool, but you will be able to download your design into your desktop. In order to share your design with your customer, you will be able to request a layout drawing package. The layout drawing includes a 2D drawing of the manifold assembly as well as a step file. Layout drawing creation is fully automated and does not require any cuts. Thank you for watching. You can sign up for a free trial at netblok3d.com.